Good morning, guys. I overslept this morning, so I just literally got out of bed. So I'm mostly going to show you the computer screen this morning, but I'm going to go over today's assignments. We will do our Zoom meeting today at 3 o'clock, okay? See you guys soon. All right, guys, reading for today. You are going to read and listen to a fiction book, which I'm going to share a link for Storyline Online with you. Then you get to have a little fun with that. You're going to draw an illustration that includes your character, setting, conflict, and resolution. Remember, your conflict is your problem, your resolution is the solution. Then, instead of writing a summary, it wants you to share a summary with a family member. So remember to use your somebody wanted, but so then. Also, you're going to choose 5 of your snap words for the week and use each word in a sentence. So that's 5 sentences. And remember, good second graders use good capitalization, punctuation, and we write nice and neat. I will share that Storyline Online link out for you. You guys are going to listen to this story, Snapsy the Alligator. Okay, I think it looks like a lot of fun. I think you'll enjoy it. So let's look at your math for today. All right, guys, 2 problems today for math. The first one is a word problem. It says Sydney and Zach are having a disagreement. The teacher has given them 2 numbers, 612 and 621. Sydney thinks that the 2 numbers are the same because they have the same digits and because the sum of the digits is the same, 9. Sydney writes the 2 numbers 612 equals 621 to show that what she thinks. Zach thinks the numbers are different because it matters where the digits are. Zach writes the numbers 612 is less than 621 to show what he thinks. Who is correct, Sydney or Zach? So take a minute, look at those 2 numbers and decide if they're equal or if one is less than the other. Remember, when we use the little alligator, the alligator always goes for the larger number, just like I would go for the larger stack of cookies, okay? Now, let's look at the second one. I think you're going to have a little bit of fun. I actually just saw that Miss Daisy had already done this for the morning. So let's read through this. Whitney and Scotty are playing a math game. Whitney uses the skip counting by 5 number pattern to name the letters of the alphabet. A equals 5 points, B equals 10, C equals 15, D equals 20, and so forth. Whitney adds together the letter points of her name and gets 520 points. Scotty adds together the letter points of his name. Scotty writes this on his paper. Scotty's points are greater than Whitney's points. Is Scotty correct? So you need to use that skip counting by 5 rule to figure out how many points Scotty's name's worth. And then the challenge at the bottom says, how much would your name be worth? So we're going to figure out how much Miss Cox's name would be worth really quickly. So let's go here and see. Let's dump that. We're going to do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So let's see what each one is worth. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130. Gracious, that was a lot. So now we're going to figure out, my name is Jessica. All right, so J was worth 50, E 25, S 95. Another S, 95. I, 45. C, 15. And A, 5. Now I'm going to erase this over here so I can figure out what my name is worth. Okay, so here we go. Choose green. All right, so 50 plus 25. 0 plus 5 is 5, and 5 plus 2 is 7. So now I got rid of those first two numbers, so now we're going to do 75 plus 95. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry my 1. 9 plus 7 is 16, and 1 more is 18. Got rid of that number. Now we're going to do 180 plus, whoops, where'd it go?
Lacey.
But, oh, it doesn't want to work, guys. Hang on, I keep touching out of the screen. Plus 95. 0 plus 5 is 5. 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 and 1 is 2. Now we're going to do 275 plus 45. 0 and 5 is 10. Carry my 1 right next door. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 more is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. Now we're going to do 320 plus 15. 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then bring down that 3. And then we're going to do 335 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 3 and 1 is 4. And then 3. My name, guys, was worth 340 points. So I would love to know what your name's worth. Let's see who can have the highest number of points today. All right. I will see you guys later for your Zoom meeting. Okay. And I'm going to send out a text for your parents to let you know what you're going to need for that meeting today. Okay. Love you guys. See you at 3 o'clock.